Good morning, friends. My name is Krishna Chopra from Cambridge International School. Today, I will tell you some tips for fight with coronavirus. Number 1. Avoid contact with sick people. Number 2. Maintain at least 3 feet distance from yourself and a person who is coughing or sneezing. Number 3. Do not touch your eyes, nose and mouth. Number 4. Stay home when you are sick. Number 5. Cover your cough or sneeze with a tissue, then dispose the tissue carefully. Number 6. Clean or disinfect the frequently touched objects or surfaces with a household spray or wipe. Number 7. Wash your hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. Number 8. If soap and water are not available, use an hand sanitizer, an alcohol-based hand sanitizer. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.